Hello and welcome to our 90-second recap of Office 365 Modern Workplace. We had a big agenda, and what we ended up doing is in previous weeks, we had already discussed Enterprise Mobility Suite. So this week, we were able to focus on Office 365. We ended up splitting it into three areas: features and functions, such as what one might expect when they're purchasing the suite as to what's available. We then broke things down into security that was available in Office 365 E3, and later on in E5. Features such as Azure AD, advanced threat protection, e-discovery, and mobile device management for 365. All of these were discussed. As an example, for Azure AD, we broke down what's available in the basic version, which is included in every Office 365 subscription, including the ability to do single sign-on to SaaS-based applications and throw in multi-factor authentication. We also talked about advanced threat protection and their capability to use safe links and safe attachments to your employees, even after they've been scrutinized by Exchange Online Protection, which is unable to detect zero-day antivirus and anti-malware protection. It also provides anti-phishing capability, so your employees do not have to deal with emails that might have business email compromise consequences. Hey, we even gave away an Xbox at the end of things for people who had attended 2 out of our 3 webinars in this series on Modern Workplace. Our customers enjoyed it, and we certainly enjoyed having a conversation with them. Please watch a full video to get more details with regards to what we talked about.